Today marks the 967th day of the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. Fighting continues with military clashes causing both casualties and shifts in territory. Diplomatic efforts remain strained, but international actors persist in trying to mediate and impose sanctions. Former U.S. President Donald Trump recently sparked controversy by suggesting that Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky bears responsibility for the conflict. This statement has drawn widespread criticism. Interestingly, the latest data analysis from ACLED shows a slight decrease in violence within the conflict zone. Reports indicate a 4% reduction in political violence events and a 5% decrease in incidents targeting civilians. Fatalities from attacks on civilians have also dropped by 33%, hinting at a potential, albeit limited, de-escalation. However, the situation remains dire. A shocking incident recently came to light involving the execution of 16 unarmed Ukrainian prisoners of war by Russian soldiers near Mykolaiv, captured on drone footage. This has ignited international outrage, with calls for accountability growing louder. In addition to this, a UN report has highlighted the widespread torture and ill treatment of Ukrainian prisoners of war, primarily within Russian territory. The report documents numerous instances of abuse, further underscoring the severity of the situation. Notably, the report also mentions mistreatment of Russian prisoners of war by Ukrainian forces. Ukrainian authorities have launched 5 investigations into these allegations, showing their commitment to addressing potential violations. The international community faces a critical need to ensure accountability for war crimes committed by all parties involved in the conflict. The economic consequences of the war continue to ripple through global markets, causing instability and humanitarian crises. As the world watches, diplomatic efforts must intensify to find a resolution and bring an end to the suffering. That's the latest on the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Stay tuned for more updates.